Hello, what's up people? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ravi Kishore Keswani. You're watching my YouTube channel, that is Ravi KK Vlogs. I want to say some facts about showrooms from here to purchase a new bike, motorcycle, car, scooter, etc. Whatever it is. Just be careful about after sale service, because after sale service is the main purpose before buying any bike, car, scooter. Buying any bike, car, scooter, just remember one thing: before buying any essential or vehicle, what service they provide you or not. Because after buying anything from their showrooms, for example, if you bought a new bike, or new car or new scooter, whatever it is, and if that bike having giving you any problem, and in case you have taken that bike to that particular showroom from where you purchased that bike, so and showroom people are not providing you any service after you bought that bike, and so that could be a problem, and you can be in a trouble. So I recommend you that if you are on a track to purchase a new bike, motor car, a car, etc., whatever it is, you must check the market reputation of that particular showroom through your friends, families, and relatives, whether they provide after sale service or not. Because so on that basis, you may purchase your or may decide whether to purchase any stuff or not from that particular showroom. So because you are only the one who is gonna purchase that bike, car, or anything, not others. So you are only the one who have to face that in future. So be aware. Guys, I'm sharing this video because recently 6 to 7 months before only my friend bought a new Activa from Honda showroom, but for some purpose, but for some tradition or religion reasons regarding delivery of Activa, they were like, showroom people were like, no, you are a Gujarati, so come afterwards, and we are Maharashtrian, so we get delivery first. So and other caste public were like, what the is going on? They were like, we have booked Activa before them, and you are providing delivery to them first. So it is wrong. And believe me, guys, waiting was there for Honda Activa. Waiting was there for around 5 to 6 days, something like that. Guys, there is nothing to spread any wrong intention for any showroom or for any caste or anything. So it is you have to be aware about this, because आप ही वो हैं जो इनको बाइक लेनी हो पर्टिकुलर शोरूम से, और आपको ही फेस करना होगा कि वो सेल सर्विस देते हैं या नहीं, बिकॉज आपने बाइक ली है तो आपको ही फेस करना होगा. तो इसलिए मेरे फ्रेंड के साथ ऐसा हुआ, तो इसलिए मैं आपको एक खाली एग्जांपल बता रहा था कि आपको कोई भी शोरूम से अगर बाइक या कुछ भी परचेस करते हो, तो आप एक बार शोरूम का डिटेल निकाल लेना अपने फ्रेंड फैमिली से कि वो आफ्टर सेल सर्विस देते हैं नहीं, क्योंकि क्या आपने वहाँ से बाइक लिए, आपको ही प्रॉब्लम आएगी उस बाइक में. फॉर एग्जांपल, जैसे मैंने कहा वो फ्रेंड का मेरे, तो आपने वहाँ से बाइक ली एंड आपको कोई कुछ भी ऐसा, कोई स्ट्रोक का कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आ गई, जैसे कि कोई KTM बाइक हो गई, तो आपको उनके ऑलमोस्ट शोरूम में जाना पड़ता है. तो शोरूम वाले अगर सर्विस नहीं देते तो फिर प्रॉब्लम. If I am wrong anywhere, so please let me know in a comment section over there. And sorry, and I'm extremely sorry for any wrong information is this shared by me. So thank you guys. If you think it's right, then hit that subscribe button over there. And if you like, then if you think that it is correct, or if it is correct, then, or if you like this video, so like it and do share. So signing off, Ravi, bye bye, take care. Signing off, Ravi, bye bye, take care. Jai Hind. तो ये था मेरा जुगाड़ कि मेरे पास माउस नहीं था। तो साइनिंग ऑफ, रवि, बाय।